Salesflare versus Bitrix24. Which CRM is best for free features? If you're wondering which CRM offers the best free features between Salesflare and Bitrix24, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll break down both of these options and help you decide which one is truly worth your time. By the end of this video, I'll also show you a better alternative for your needs, so make sure you stick around to hear about it. Let's start with Salesflare. Salesflare's free version is designed with simplicity in mind, targeting small businesses and startups. It's known for its easy-to-use interface and automation features. However, the free version of Salesflare is fairly limited. You get basic CRM functionalities like contact management and basic email integrations, but once you need more advanced features like reporting or detailed sales forecasting, you're going to need to upgrade. While the automation is decent, there's not much room for customization on the free plan, which could be a deal breaker for businesses looking for more control. Next thing, let's talk about Bitrix24. Bitrix24 offers a much more robust free plan compared to Salesflare. The free version includes tools for task management, project management, and even some basic marketing automation. One of the biggest selling points of Bitrix24's free plan is the number of users you can have on the platform. You can have up to 12 users without paying anything. On top of that, Bitrix24 offers built-in telephony, which is a great bonus for businesses that rely heavily on calls. However, Bitrix24 does have its downsides. While the free version is packed with features, the user interface can be overwhelming, especially for people who are new to CRM software. It's not the most intuitive, and finding your way around can take some time. Plus, while you get a ton of features, the limitations are still there, things like limited storage space and a lack of advanced reporting on the free plan. The third thing to consider is integration options. Salesflare integrates seamlessly with popular tools like Gmail and Office 365, making it a strong choice for businesses that rely on Google or Microsoft. However, if you need more advanced integrations, you'll find that Salesflare's free plan doesn't offer much flexibility. On the other hand, Bitrix24 offers a lot more integrations, especially with popular tools like Google Drive, Slack, and MailChimp, making it a solid choice for companies that use a wide range of tools. But don't get too excited. Some integrations only come with higher tier plans, so you might hit a wall if you're trying to scale. Next up, let's talk about the customer support. Salesflare offers decent support for its free users, though it's more limited than what you get with paid plans. If you run into issues, you may find yourself waiting a bit longer for a response, and you're mostly going to be relying on FAQs and community forums for solutions. Bitrix24, on the other hand, provides access to a range of support options, but the quality can vary. The free users are somewhat left to fend for themselves, with no dedicated support team, which can be frustrating for those needing help. Finally, when you look at both CRM's pricing models, it's clear that Salesflare's paid plans are on the higher end, but they offer a more focused, streamlined experience. Bitrix24's paid plans, though, are more affordable and offer a wider range of features, which could be a better fit for larger teams or businesses that need a broader set of tools. So, both CRM options have their strengths and weaknesses. While Salesflare is streamlined and simple, it lacks the depth that some businesses might need. Bitrix24, on the other hand, packs a lot of features into its free plan, but its interface and limited support can make it a tough choice for users who want something easy to use. Now, if you're looking for a better alternative that provides both simplicity and advanced features with a free trial, then I highly recommend checking out the first link in the description. After trying both of these CRMs myself, I found that this alternative outperforms both in terms of features, usability, and customer support. By using our link, you'll get access to the best free trial and exclusive benefits that aren't available to others. So, there you have it. Salesflare and Bitrix24 each have their pros and cons, but if you want a better CRM experience, check out the link in the description. You won't regret it.